Hello everyone, my name is Tileshwari Manikpuri. I live in Mumbai and I'm marketing manager by profession. I like cooking but I was not so much interested towards cooking. Since lockdown, I started trying my hands on various recipes because I had ample of time. I joined few months ago this group Homiums and figured this group would be a good fit for me. I learned many things, many cooking tips from super chefs here, and when my dishes started getting appreciation, I'm enjoying cooking more now. So I love cooking and I'm enjoying cooking now. So thanks all of you once again for appreciating and liking my dishes. Thank you.
Hello friends, today I'm gonna make delicious healthy jowar muthia. So for that I have took half a cup of jowar atta, add 1 finely chopped onion, 2 finely chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger and garlic, 1 tablespoon curd, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon carom seeds, half teaspoon hing. Add 1 tablespoon oil to make the muthia soft. Now we'll add salt as per taste. We'll make the medium consistency soft dough. At this stage, I'll add pinch of baking soda and 1 spoon of water for tempering. Now the dough is ready, and then I'll make the cylindrical shape muthia. And now I'll place this for steam. I've kept water to boil. I'll grease this plate and I'll place the muthia over it. We'll steam this muthia for 15 minutes on a medium flame. Now let's see the muthia. So the muthia is ready now. I'll keep them aside. After cooling, I'll cut them into pieces. Now I've cut the muthia into pieces and now I'll fry it. I took 1 tablespoon of oil. I'll add mustard seeds, add few curry leaves, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds for the flavor. It gives a nice flavor. Now I'll add all the muthia. Healthy and tasty jowar muthia. For the main course, I'm gonna make bajra khichdi and also methi bajra jowar thepla. So now I'll start to cook bajra khichdi. Heat a tablespoon of oil. Now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, I'm gonna add bay leaves, 3 cloves and 5 to 6 black pepper. Next goes a tablespoon of chopped garlic, a tablespoon of ginger julienne. Give this a proper mix. Now also add 1 chopped onion. Now after 2 minutes, when onion gets soft, I'll add 1 tomato chopped. Now after the tomatoes get softened, I'll add few vegetables, chopped vegetables. You can add vegetables of your choice. So I took capsicum, cauliflower, French beans, potato and carrot. And give it a nice mix. And I'll also add half a cup green tea. Now it's the time for the seasoning ingredients. So I'll add some spices over it. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, spoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder, 3 green chilies. Now I'll give it a good mix. The main ingredient bajra. So I have took 1 cup of bajra and soaked it for 5 to 6 hours. Adding green soaked milk. Now I'll mix them properly. Now I'm adding salt as per taste. Now it's time to add water. I'm adding around 500 ml water as it needs lot of water to get cooked. I'll give it a pressure cook. So I'll transfer this whole ingredient into a pressure cooker. So I have transferred this in a pressure cooker. Here I'll add 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander. Now I'll give it a perfect 7 to 8 whistle till it gets cooked, because bajra takes a long time to get cooked. Let it cool down for a good 15 to 20 minutes. And now let's open it. The khichdi is done now and the bajra is nicely cooked. So now I'm gonna add few more ingredients. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of ghee, which is completely optional, and 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves. And now I'm going to plate it. So friends, my next main course recipe is bajra jowar methi thepla. So this is half cup jowar atta and half a cup bajra atta. Now I'll add half tablespoon green chili, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon sugar. Friends, the main purpose of adding sugar in this dish is to balance the taste of the methi and it does not make the dish sweet. 1/4 teaspoon hing, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon oil to make the dough soft. Now I'm gonna add finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 bowl finely chopped methi leaves. We'll mix them all together. Now we'll use curd for kneading the dough. So the dough is ready and I'm greasing it with oil. Now I'll make thepla. So now I'll cook it in a medium flame with the ghee. I'm applying ghee both the sides. It's my methi jowar bajra thepla. Next dish I'm gonna make is pearl millet halwa. I took half a cup of pearl millet flour. Here are few dry fruits, the kishmish, walnut and cashew, it's elaichi, green elaichi. So all these dry fruits I have fried, and I'm making the healthy version, so I'm not using any sugar. I'm using the jaggery. I used 4 tablespoon this jaggery and I made a jaggery syrup. I'll add jaggery syrup over it, and this is more than half cup milk. So here I have added 2 tablespoon of ghee, and now I will add this millet flour. Roast till it gets brown. I'm adding 1 more spoon ghee. I have roasted this bajre ka atta for 5 to 7 minutes in low flame. Now see, it's got a good color and it smells so nice. Adding jaggery syrup. We should continuously stir to avoid the lumps. See, it got a nice color. Now I will add the elaichi powder. Now I will add the dry fruits over it. Now I will add half a cup milk. So here my halwa is